Hello everyone, it's Shel C from PaperOcotilloStudio, and this is my video to announce the 20 winners of my stencils for the 20,000 subscribers giveaway. These were picked on a screen, something like this. I didn't record it, I just picked them one after another after another. It's a random comment picker generator online that you can just pick randomly. And here are the 20 people. Kathy Brochu, Janice Sullivan, Nancy Walburn, Andrew Walker, Sybil Greco, Tanya Perrin, P.J., Lori S., Pat Halligan, Debbie V., Joan Nigler, Fabric of Life, Anne Aubrey, Janet Visoshi Baum, Deepa, Aaron Tyler, Nettie Munson, Diane Nanar, Starla Arts, and Amy Vetter. If you are one of these people, please contact me at my email, PaperOcotilloStudio@gmail.com, and tell me what your YouTube name is, what your real name is, what your address, your mailing address is, so that I can send you your stencil prize. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.